शुरू करलाम কিন্তু
जी सर।
Today I shall discuss from English first paper unit 14 lesson 1. It's a poem. The name of the poem is I Died for Beauty. In this poem, what you will get? Here you will know an imaginary story. Two human beings were in a grave or in a tomb. You can understand in this way, there were two tombs adjusted. One dead body or one person is talking with another one. One asked to the another person, why did he die? Then another one asked the same question. One said for truth, another one for beauty. There is a saying in Keats' poem, beauty is truth, truth beauty. Where there is beauty, there is truth. One has died for beauty, another one has died for truth. That's why they think that their aim is same. Actually, truth is meaningless without beauty, and beauty has no value without truth. This is the central theme of the poem. After few days or few months, the knights or relatives of them came to their grave and they covered up their names there. They talked to each other until the moss had reached their lips. After then, they could not talk. Actually, it is an imaginary poet. Here you will find an imaginary poet. At the same time, this poem is imaginary. If you think, what do you mean by the first person I? Here you can think about the poet. You can ask me, if the poet is I here, how he can write a poem after death? If you compare this thing with reality, you will not understand. You will have to understand that this is imaginary. That's why the poet goes to an imaginary world and write it. He thinks that he has already been died, so he has nothing to do then, and he compares himself in the sense, not in reality. At the same time, you will not take religion here to understand it, otherwise you will be in problem in understanding. Okay, today the poem I have discussed here, how you will get it in the examination. In the examination, in central theme or at the last question of English first paper, you will find a poem there you'll have to write the central theme. Then you'll have to write the theme or main theme of the poem in short. That means you will not use more than 5 or 6 sentences here. You will have to write less than 80 words. Now you can hear the theme again. The poet goes to an imaginary world and write about this poem. Here 2 persons were talking to each other. One died for truth, another for beauty. In Keats' poem, there is a saying, beauty is truth, truth beauty. Where there is beauty, there is truth. Where there is truth, there is beauty. Actually, truth is meaningless without beauty, and beauty has no value without truth. This is the main theme of the poem. Truth and beauty are represented here nicely. You can write the main theme in your own words. It is better. If you can't, you can get help from textbook or any other helping book, but you'll have to understand it first. Next time we will discuss the poem related to this, She Walks in Beauty, composed by Lord Byron. If you feel any problem in this video or in this video class, you must ask me in messenger inbox or in your group or below this video. Thank you. Thanks all.